PromptEarn affiliate marketing for beginners. Are you a beginner in affiliate marketing, or you want to get started with PromptEarn affiliate marketing? In this training, I'll walk you through all you need to know about PromptEarn affiliate marketing, and I've listed the points here on this paper here so that we'll move from point to point. Okay, so in this training, I'll be walking you through how to do affiliate marketing on PromptEarn, very important. Then how to make money on PromptEarn affiliate marketing, and also what PromptEarn is all about. Okay, let's take it step by step. My name is Elvis Jamonin. I teach on skill affiliate marketer how to start and scale their online business to make at least 200,000 naira on a monthly basis. So let's get started with it. Okay, so what is PromptEarn affiliate marketing? Just like every other affiliate marketing platform, the platform houses digital products that pays you up to like 50% to 70% commission on each sales you make. Okay, there are digital products. Once you get started with the platform, you are allowed to promote any of the products, and we'll talk about that as we proceed. Okay, now if you want to get started on PromptEarn affiliate marketing, you can use link in the video description so I can get started in the right way, and also I'll be showing you step by step process how I do it. I will be teaching you how to do so. How to do affiliate marketing on PromptEarn. First, you navigate to your dashboard after you have registered. You copy your affiliate link, that is the second one. The third one is for you to generate lead. The link you have copied, put it on your notepad so that you can easily access it. Once you generate your lead, before you send them your affiliate link for them to register, make sure you qualify your lead by asking them specific questions. Alright, questions like, at what level of understanding do you have in affiliate marketing? What are you struggling with? What's your challenge? By the time you get their deepest desire, you can now give them your solution, which is the link for them to get registered. Okay, so how to do it on PromptEarn? By sending your affiliate link to your qualified prospect so they can use it and register. How do you make money on PromptEarn affiliate marketing? It is the critical, very important. After you have learned how to generate lead, you can do that on TikTok, on Facebook, but the easiest one I recommend you do is for you to do it on Facebook, because it's very simple and straight to the point. Once you get to Facebook, you type affiliate marketing, you join as many groups as possible, educative content, and you can do it through LVR, lifestyle, value and results. Share your lifestyle, how the business have helped you so far, then the value, kind of education, best way to grow, that is under value, then result, how much you have made, okay, how much your students have made. Those are the kind of thing you're going to share in those groups to spark interest, and when they come and indicate interest in learning it, send them the link to come to WhatsApp. When they come, then that is when you can ask them qualifying questions. When they have ticked those qualifying questions and they have indicated interest to join, that is where you can now send them your affiliate link for them to join on PromptEarn affiliate marketing platform. So if you are interested to learn how you can scale your affiliate marketing business to make at least up to 100,000 naira every single week, you can watch this video here to learn how to do so, and I'll walk you through step by step process on how you can scale up to like 100,000 naira every single month on affiliate marketing, either weekly or monthly. Those is possible for you. Okay, so if you have a question, leave it in the video description, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace and bye.